By 2030, the global construction market will grow by 8 trillion. And these three important countries will drive India, China, and US. So this is the growth which is projected by Intellectsoft for a construction activity. Urbanization is one of the important factors for that growth, but to sustain that growth, the technologies have to be used. And in this video, we are going to look at some of the important technologies for the project management. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the best technologies that can be used in a project management, because everything is now tech driven, everything is smart driven. The projects, the construction where I come from have to be also ready, and these are some of the important technologies. I'm sure it will give you a lot of value and you can start using it on your projects. This is a study. According to that, as I said, by 2030 the entire construction industry is going to go to 8 trillion US dollar, and these will be driven by India, China, and US. This is a report, and this is what, as I said, the volume of construction output will grow by 85% to 15.5 trillion worldwide 2030. With this, we must have technologies that can help us to drive to complete the project fast, to complete the project safe, to complete the project with the right quality. And this is very important for us, for the people who are in project management, people who are in construction management must know. So innovative construction and the softwares the mixture of both will be able to give us these three important parameters for project completion. So technology is covering all construction for all stages, and the software generally used by architecture, engineering, and construction team to plan their activities, to engineer their activities, to have control on cost, to have control on procurement, and to use the data for procurement. So implementation of these technologies and the softwares will help to deliver the project in a right manner. Let us look at first virtual and augmented reality. Among the new construction technologies, these two important technologies will bring in lot of visualization, and with the forecast of this 8 trillion growth, the industry will rely on VR and AR to make sure that the collaboration, the safety aspects, how do you manage the construction site in remote areas, these things will be taken care by virtual and augmented reality. So the next one is drones. It is being used on many projects, but from year 2023 the use of drones will be much. And when I use the drone and use it on a 3D idlers or with a BIM, it gives me far visualization about what is being done. So when I take care of drone to look at the progress, to look at every aspect of project management, every aspects of quality, safety, and if I use the same drone, expect more interoperability with scan to beam mode on drones, taking microseconds to share construction data with other base plots. So we expect more interoperability with drones. We expect more interoperability with scan to beam mode on drones, taking microseconds to share construction data with beam based platform. So we can either use drones to get the as built and make sure that it goes to BIM gets updated. So there are various ways of using drones to take care of, in remote areas, get the real-time data of what is happening, safety, quality, productivity, we can do that. So this is second technology which will be used in project management. There's a video link over here. I will give you that video in description box. Please look at this video. It will give you more clarity. Usage of drones in project management. The next one is blockchain technology, and this blockchain technology will help in procurement, getting the better cost saving, getting the total historical data, and this is a relatively safer data. How can we use it safely? How can we use it to make sure that the procurement or the cost of the project is optimum? And that is this technology which will help you for project management. The next one is a digital twin, and this is used generally to solve the operation problems This is the newest technology which is the architectures, the engineers and construction teams are using. Digital twin is getting the real thing into digital, and that will, with this we can do a lot of stimulation, we can solve the problems, we can proactively look at the problems which can happen before we construct. So digital twin carried out performance analysis considering the occupant's behavior with the use of patterns and space. So this is another technology, and there are 5 levels of digital twins. One is descriptive twin, second is informative twin, third is predictive twin, and that's why I talked about proactively. We can look at what problems I can face, right, while I construct. Comprehensive twin, which takes care of everything. Autonomous twin, ability to learn and act on behalf of users. So this is the another technology which will be used in project management. 3D laser scanner is the newest again technology which is used by the AC industry, and this is used to do a mapping, a surveying, a project inspection, safety, and many other aspects of project management. 3D laser scanner is another technology. Fourth one is 4D stimulation. We all talked about 3D. 4D is coming again, a newest technology which can save you time, which can save you cost, because time is always linked to cost on any project. Then BIM, I think, is being used, and BIM helps us to reduce a lot of clashes which go on the project, and a lot of disputes, reworks, and quality issues which comes with the clashing. So BIM, yes, is another technology which is already being used. This one, and I have just seen in the morning one video on 3D printing, where one of the leading organizations have created one post office in one part of India by using 3D printing. Again, newest technology, and I'm sure this is just start. It is going to go up in much larger scale when the cost related to it comes down, when we start using it widely. So these are some of the important technologies which can help us in doing the project management. I hope you like the video. You can research on these technologies more and more. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Follow me on YouTube, Facebook, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you very much.